Hello everyone. This is Anne, and this is my spouse Oti.
Hello.
Hello, yeah. And this is my daughter. Hi. And this is my little daughter. Okay. Okay, so guys, that's my little family. I have a son too, but he's currently sleeping at the moment. So guys, I want to show you um this is the house that me and my spouse purchased. It has a big yard, a lot of lawn space. It's a little fixer-upper, guys. It has two huge mango tree, two of the best mango tree, might I add. East Indian and Julie. Alright, so this is the house. It's a fixer-upper, guys. It needs a lot of work. Just ignore the things that you're seeing around the place, but it needs a lot of work. The roof, this is gypsum, they call it. The roof needs a lot of work because the gypsum starts to come down. They start falling down. The tile, as you can see, these are some old tiles. We'd like to redo this entire house, repair it, change the windows. This is the car porch. All of here is the car porch. Over this side is the veranda, and this is the side that we live over on this side. This is the living room. Yeah, it's a very big living room. That's one bedroom in there, and that's our bathroom. And this is a small side over here. This is a small side over here. This is where we start some work. We started doing some work over here. We changed the roof. There's some old zinc. We changed the old zinc. Put on some new zinc, new boards, changed some of the board, but now the ceiling needs to go back. Smooth out the wall, repaint it, change out these windows. We started to put in do some rewiring work. A socket should go there. We put a new socket here. So the walls, as you can see, the paint is stripping, so the wall need to fix. The wall need a lot of fix because you have places like here that start breaking, like here, so it needs a lot of work. That's the bathroom in there that need to change. The roof, we also fix up in here. The roof need to go back in. Around here is another room. So up there is one room, come down in the passage. Around here is another room. These are some old zinc that came off the roof. Somebody need them, so that's why they're there. These are some of the things that we're doing. We're using to do the rewiring. I think that's I don't remember what this is, but that's the box that the wires connect to. And as you can see, we put some new sockets in here as well. There. Alright, so this, and as you can see, the tile so discolored. I need to change. These old windows needs to change. This house is over 50 years old. It needs a lot of work. You can see the wall. Most of the wall have some big cracks, like here. And here is around the kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is another stripping in the wall. So we're going to change this, the box that should go here. We're going to take that out and put a bigger one there. This is the wall, the kitchen, where the kitchen used to be. We had to knock down the counters because the board, the counter, all the board that made the counter, them rotten, spoil. And I think they used to keep the stove right here. That's why that used to look like that. And the cupboard used to be up there, so we took that down. And so this is how it looks now. And this is the backyard. Have a lot of land space. Yeah, the yard need to cut again. It was raining the other day, so the weed grow up very fast. But this is the backyard. We have a lot of land space. Those old zinc, they came off the roof as well. That over there is another section of the house that we need to fix as well. Some people used to live over there before we buy the house, but they moved out, so we need to get it fixed. All right, so this is the other side of the house. This is the other side. As you can see, guys, it's a very big it's a lot of land space. It's a very big house. It's about 5 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 2 kitchen, living room, bathroom. Yeah, this is upstairs. Yeah, so this is the small side of the house that we fixed. We got some money from the mortgage company, and we were only able to fix the small side of the house. This is the bigger side of the house. The zinc are so discolored. This side still need to fix. We have a lot of leaking when rain fall and all of that. So guys, I made this video to appeal to anyone who will come across this video. If you guys can offer us some assistance to do some repairing, we would appreciate that very, very much. My family and I, both my spouse and I, both of us, we are working people, but you know, really and truly we need some help too. We try to do what we can. We were only able to do the small side of the house, the roof, and we were only able to do some rewiring. Right now we're at a standstill because we're low on funds to do anything else. So we are just appealing to anyone who can help us, offer us any form of contribution to put towards the house. We would appreciate it, because this house, it needs a lot of work, especially the roof. In the bathroom need a lot of work as well, or even over on the side that where we are living, it needs a lot of work. It really needs some repairing, but we are low on cash, we're low on funds, we don't have it like that to do it, but at least it's a good start. It's a good start. It's a little fixer up, or the house is over 50 years old. It needs a lot of working because it hasn't been maintaining over the years. There was no work being done on the house, and this is what we could afford. You know, we couldn't afford to get anything better than this, so this is why we choose to buy. This is the fixer upper and to take our time and fix it, but we are really appealing to you guys to give us some help. Anyone interested to help, we are on TikTok. You can reach out to us, Ann and OT, or you can just type in Ann number 2 Shady, all one word, and send us a message, and we will communicate from there. God bless anyone who decides to help us. Thank you guys.